It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. A few weeks ago I bought one of the living plants from the supermarket and divided it into 5 and pruned them down a bit. Now they need using up, so I'm going to make pesto. And pesto is very easy to make. So I've got my fruit processor here with the S blade in it. I have trimmed those basil plants down, and I've now washed them and spun them in my salad spinner. I'll add a few cloves of garlic. What else was I going to do? Oh, I've got it down here already. Some extra virgin olive oil. And it's normally made with pine nuts, but they're more expensive than walnuts, and I've always got walnuts in, so because I use them a lot, and I don't know why I'm breaking them up. My food processor will do that. So put the lid on, turn it on at the wall. It works better then. Give it a couple of pulses. And then let's just scrape the sides, because you want it all done. A few more walnuts. A bit more olive oil, and I've just remembered I didn't put any salt and pepper in, because it is helped by that. It tastes nicer. Salt, pepper, a bit more. Yeah, the consistency I want, so I'll just give it a quick stir. I haven't put many nuts in it because Lurch will be having it, and he gets stomach pains if he has too many nuts. Move things around and get a sterilised jar. Before I put it in the jar, I'm just going to have a little taste of it. See if it's how I want it. Not bad at all, but it does want a touch more. That's quite nice. have here a sterilised jar that I will be putting it in. Now you can sterilise it by boiling it for about 10 minutes, or what I've done is I make my own wine, so I have sterilising solution. Oh, and I need a spoon to dish it up with. This jar is a little bit on the big side, but never mind. It won't be in there for that long. Should have used a whole pint jar. Well, and I'm going to be making a salad later with pasta, and I'll use some of my pesto. It isn't much, but when you consider the basil was from a plant that I bought and I've already used some of it, so this is like free food, and I do like free food. But if you were storing it for any length of time, you need to put it in a jar that's the same size as the contents. This jar is far too big. I'd be better off with a half pint jar, but it's all got out at the moment. And put a lid on it, keep it in your fridge up to a month, but you must make sure that your jar is sterilised. And that's all there is to it. When I make the pasta, I'll show you what it looks like. But thank you for now. That pesto we made, take a dollop of it, put it in the bowl. I think it needs a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. That's it. I have some pasta here that I've pre-cooked, and it's just been drained. And just toss it in it. And I like this to go cold because of the olive oil that's in it. It'll stop the pasta from sticking together. But when it's a lot cooler, I'll add some cheese to it and let it go cold, and then have it with a salad. But I said I'd show you what it was like when it was done. Thank you. Bye.
It's a